Hello, my loves. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, welcome back to the channel. Hey, yeah, we added a new move, period. I feel like I have been gone for so long, but I'm so glad to be back. I know you guys have been hitting me up like, Deb, where's some long form content? Like, get back on YouTube. It's time. We see the look. What is it giving? I hope it's giving Black History Month. I hope it's giving blackness, realness, and I'm here for it. Month of love. That's what this whole month is about. It doesn't stop at Valentine's Day. It doesn't stop at just this month either. We love each other year round, but I really want to emphasize this month to just recognize other Black creators, Black people, anybody who is Black. Okay, and also everybody here, all my supporters, I love you guys so much. We're gonna be creating some fun looks over on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, everywhere. Okay, I want to see y'all best looks. Include some hearts. Okay, we use stickers today. Without further ado, guys, if you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. It feels so good to be back here on YouTube. I missed doing my glam, doing my makeup on here. So definitely put down suggestions below of anything I should be trying, anything y'all want to see from me. I'm happy to be back. In the spirit of being back, I want to just do makeup that I feel would represent Black History Month for me. I remember a viral look that actually got me put into the Essence magazine because I drew like the shape of the continent Africa on my face. That was so fun, so cool. And people loved that look. People felt heard, seen, like they really loved it. So I want to kind of embody that again, the colors of the flags. I actually did like some research before I just like start drawing Africa on my face. I looked up a lot of different inspiration, as well as I talked to creators who were from somewhere in Africa that I could, you know, pull inspiration from as well and just get some advice from. So in doing that, I'm going to use colors that represent most of the flags that I see, which are green, yellow, red, and black. And actually, my husband gave me a great idea for a look, so I'm excited to try it out. Let's get into it. So I do want these eyes to be very dramatic. So I'm just starting with some eyeshadow base. This is from P. Louise in the shade number 3. And I usually do 5. The shade 5 is like kind of my exact skin tone. But I'm going like lighter because I know that the eyeshadow is going to be, I want it to be very pigment. I want it to be very bright. So we're just going a little bit lighter on the base. So we're going full on cut crease. I want a rhinestone cut crease. So I'm going to use a mixture of the Wild Side palette by Beauty by Melissa, her brand Beloved Beauty. I really like the deep tones in this palette. I just think they're beautiful. She's also Black owned. Of course, shop Black all the time, but it's Black History Month, baby. You might as well go ahead, you know? And of course, my palette, the Colors for Days, another rainbow palette, but I'd say these have like different bright shades that I want to use. So definitely go check those out. I'm going to be using the yellow, green, and red out of these. So I want to build this color up. I'm going to go around the perimeter of the shape of cut crease I want to do. So I'm starting with the deepest red shade. I'll buff this out with a lighter red shade and so on. So red into yellow into green. Now using that yellow shade, I don't want this to make orange. So I'm gonna be very like careful to not like over mix the two. I just want the colors to be straight up because there's no orange in them flags, okay? So we're just gonna do straight red into straight yellow. Now a deep green shade. I've been using all colors from that Beauty by Melissa palette first. Like I said, just to set these deeper shades first. And I'm going around my eye, just in that shape. Oh my gosh, I can already see this just going so well. Now I went into the Colors for Days palette. For this green to start out, I went between Sassy Grassy and Sickening, those shades, just to get this lighter green. And this is what we're gonna start to blend, because this is gonna be a transition later on to do my cheek. Alrighty, so next I'm going to use the black eyeshadow base from P. Louise, and we're going to just cut our crease. Just going to go around the whole perimeter with this black base. Okay, so I need to bring this green in more because I overestimated where I wanted my cut crease to be. So we're going to bring that green in. Now I'm going to open my In the Buff palette, and we're going to set this cut crease with some black eyeshadow. We want matte eyeshadow. All right, we got one side done. Let's do the other side, and then we'll get to the nitty-gritty. Now I'm going to use a little bit of this prototype glue that I just love so much. It's not a prototype anymore because it is being revamped. I got the formula I want from Beatsbydeb Cosmetics, and I'm going to put this all over my lid. Instead of using my everything glue, this just gives me a clean peel, which I'm so here for that. And we're going to add these really pretty black rhinestones all over the lid, and they're different sizes. I got these from Michael's a while ago, and so it's gonna be real extra. I'm here for it. I'm gonna use the back of a brush with some everything glue on it to pick up these rhinestones because I don't have time. Look at the shine that you get from those rhinestones. Yes, my eye feels heavy. Yes, I feel like I'm like, my eye is this low, but it's okay. It's all for the look, okay? It's all gonna be for the look. Okay, I mean, as you can see, this effect is absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna use that same everything glue. I'm just gonna place that all around my lash line so this lash sticks, considering I didn't leave much room on my lash line because rhinestones are right here. So that's why putting the glue on your lash line is such a great technique. I'm actually gonna put on some lashes I've been wearing. I probably done worn about at least 20 times now in the style Bodied. They are on Beatsbydeb Cosmetics right now. So make sure you go ahead and grab some of those. Make sure you're adding your mascara. You want your lashes to be black. And then when you add your falsies, they will match a lot better. I'm telling you, y'all, make sure y'all do that now. I'm actually gonna use some eyeliner and put it in my top and bottom waterline. This doesn't feel good, but it gives me a perfect black eye, seamless black eye. I feel like I have tweezers with these nails, putting these lashes on. Looking down into my mirror, so pretty. And it's just like a little flare on the end. I'm pinching together my falsies and my real lashes now with my tweezers. I love the way this lash looks from the side. It's literally gorgeous. We back. The base is done. Let's get into the nitty gritty of this face now. I have some stickers here from Amazon. They're different sizes. I gotta choose what size I want, but I'm going to be sticking these onto my cheeks. I'm gonna just randomly place them. This will probably be the biggest size I want. got our hearts placed. Super cute. Here's where I go back into those colors, and I'm going to extend this onto the cheek. I'm excited for this. So I'm going to start with that green because we're going to work this green outward and onto the cheek. I'm excited. And I'm kind of going up, like over the hearts because I want it to be dramatic and I want the hearts to really stand out. So yeah, this is going to be lit. Now we're going to go in with yellow. And again, we're pretty much just using those same colors from before. So it'll all work out. Now I'm gonna try to be very careful with red. We're gonna do this side first. And I'm gonna like add it just very much little by little here. Almost like a little contour moment. Again, we don't want orange, so need to be careful with this. Oh, that's beautiful. That is beautiful. What? Like, love it. Going back into all my colors now, just to brighten them, make them as vibrant as I possibly can. Mainly just gonna go back into yellow to kind of merge all three of these together. And this is what we have so far. Loving the idea. Okay, so now here's where I say this is a very important step to me. I'm gonna take black eyeshadow on a small brush and I'm gonna actually like dot it around these hearts before I remove it because I want the hearts to really stand out. So we're gonna do that. I would've did rhinestones, but my rhinestones are just a little too big to try to outline these hearts. So we're gonna do black eyeshadow and see the effect it gets. I'm excited. Oh, I'm nervous. Let's try it with this first one. I'm gonna kind of try to blend it outward. Okay, moment of truth. Yes, that's what I wanted. That's what had to happen. Oh, geeked. Perfect, it worked. So now we're just gonna go around every single heart with this black. Because this is the month of love, baby. Like, I want every look to embody that. Every single one. Then I'm just slightly taking with a very loose hand the shadow like up and out. I'm just brushing it upward to blow it out some. This is gonna look so great, I can just tell. Okay, both sides are done. Now I'm just gonna focus on my under eye. I'm actually gonna take those greens, starting with the darkest one from earlier, and I'm gonna buff that into this section here. And then we're gonna put that into the blush moment that we have going. Now the lighter greens. Yeah, that looks way more seamless that way. Bottom mascara, I'm using Fan Fest by Benefit. It's been my favorite recently. And she be my bottom lashes up. I feel like I have long bottom lashes, but the thing about it is not every mascara can accentuate them the way that I be looking for them to. So that's why she gives me a 10 out of 10, because it's black mascara. It's like clumpier, and I'm into that because I like want a clumpy under eye. If you're looking for mascara for your top lashes, I don't even know what traits to give you to look for. This is what I look for my bottom lashes. I'm taking my loose highlighter in the shade Richie Rich. We just have to add her in this inner corner. Yeah, that's what I wanted. That's what I wanted, that's what I needed, yup. It is very easy to overdo it with this highlighter. So I'm kind of like, I gotta build the color with this highlighter. It's very easy to overdo it, and I refuse for this to just ruin everything, you know? Gotta add my little mole on my face. This look is giving me everything. Like, it's giving me I literally don't know what to do for a lip right now. Like, I have no idea. Should I just go nude? I think I'm gonna stay safe and just go nude. Cause like, you know what? Should I do black? I think I'm gonna do black lips. Yeah. I'm actually gonna draw them on with the same black eyeliner, and I just want like crisp lines. So we're using potted liner. Setting this entire lip with black eyeshadow because we want a matte black lip that is just beautiful with this. Honestly, yes. I didn't want to do another red lip. I've been doing them for the past 2 weeks. So I think this is a great addition. This eyeliner, by the way, that I've been using is going to be coming to Beatsbydeb Cosmetics in March for our anniversary sale. So sign up to our newsletter so you can know when sales, deals, and things are going on. But for the rest of the month, February, the month of love, I will be having deals, sales, new items. So make sure to go ahead and support my small business if you're looking to and if you love cosmetics. Now I'm just gonna go over top of my lip with that same gold pigment that I used earlier. I would use rhinestones, but I simply I can't commit to that right now. I'm so hungry, y'all. So I just wipe it over the lips. Oh wow, that's beautiful. Beautiful. It's literally giving me Black Panther. Like, I kid you not. Last thing, I just want this kind of dusted on my face. So I'm gonna kind of just like sprinkle it because I want it to show up in my low light videos. There we go. Cool. Let's see the finished look. Of course, we have to do a low light in true Beatsbydeb fashion. We gotta test it out, and I'd say the makeup slayed. Beautiful. Well guys, that's it for me. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'm so glad to be back, and make sure you guys let me know how you feel about this look. Happy Black History Month. Happy month of love. Celebrate with me by creating looks with me. Let's inspire each other. Let's just build on our blackness, and let's just gain strength from one another this month and all year round. I'm excited to see what's to come, and I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.